Hey guys, we received this Parlovable women's flip-flop slippers for test and try. This is a memory foam slip on a thong slipper. It's a breathable, cozy, open-toe house shoes or the slippers for easy wear and a comfortable walk. So let me just open up this and see the things. So the first impression is a very soft material and is a flexible and adjustable bow on the top and also a high density memory foam. So you can see like the feel is a high density memory foam with a griddle cover and this have also improved durable, soft, waterproof and anti-slip with the rubber soles and also like a cozy feel here. So this looks really nice and soft and cozy. So after wearing, you can see like it covers up the stuff and very nice and cozy in the feel. Comfortable, looks good and premium and easy to walk with. So very nice slippers for women.